Hey there everyone, and welcome to this first video of our new tutorial series, TypeScript, the type JavaScript. In this video, we'll be looking at basics of TypeScript and also understanding the installation required for throughout this series.
Let me in, yeah.
TypeScript is a language on top of JavaScript. Everything available in JS is available in TypeScript. You can call it a superset of JavaScript. It transpiles TS to JS, and thus all modern features of ECMAScript not available to all browsers can be used by providing a polyfill. The second advantage of TypeScript is it can enforce static typing, which can help in catching potential issues earlier in the stages of development. TypeScript was developed by Microsoft as an internal product in 2010, but it was made public in 2012. Now it is an open source project hosted on GitHub. TypeScript is now used by Microsoft in many of their products. For instance, Microsoft Teams, VS Code, and the online version of Office all use TypeScript. Even Google started using TypeScript with Angular 2. Slack has migrated all of their products to TypeScript. It is worth noting that due to its open source nature and being used by various companies, TypeScript has gone through a lot of work and a lot of changes by experienced developers, and thus becomes the perfect candidate for the future of computer languages. There are various goals that TypeScript wants to meet. The first one is to identify the construct that may produce a runtime error in the future. Secondly, to provide a better structuring mechanism that can cope with scalability in the project. The third goal is to not impose overhead on the produced JavaScript. That is basically to make more cleaner and more understandable JavaScript output. And the fourth goal is to become a language that can stay in the market for longer terms and is easy to navigate. TypeScript doesn't want to supersede JavaScript, but as a good citizen, it wants to go hand in hand with the ECMAScript updates coming to JavaScript. You must use TypeScript because it is fast, it lets you generate ECMAScript, it brings static typing, which is the biggest feature that TypeScript provides. It is easier to maintain as the folder structure is there, which makes it really easy to maintain the files inside your project. And it also reduces the number of test cases required because basically most of the runtime errors are already being rectified during your development. Now let's see how we can install TypeScript in our system. If you open typescriptlang.org in your browser and then hop over to the download page, you'll see it says you need NodeJS and run the command npm install -g TypeScript. This -g indicates the global. Now, if you're wondering how to install Node in your system, I'm providing a link in the description. Now let's open our terminal, and I will be using Windows Terminal throughout this series. This Windows Terminal is best in the market right now because I really love it. So yes, I'm using it throughout this series. So let's run the command npm install -g for global and TypeScript. Hit enter and you'll see it takes just a few seconds to install TypeScript in your system. And it is done. So to check if TypeScript is successfully installed in your system, run the command tsc -v. -v stands for version. And if you run it, you'll see some number indicating that TypeScript is successfully installed in your system. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video. But if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it and like this video and share it to your colleagues. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notifications of our upcoming videos. And as always, thanks for watching.